Everyone thinks the best-selling balance board is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, Amazon Basics Wood Wobble Board. The Amazon Basics Wood Wobble Balance Trainer Board price touches $21.68. What caught my eye is its solid wood design and slip-resistant surface. If you want to enhance your core strength and posture without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. This board is not just pretty, it's functional too. The 15.75-inch square surface allows for a variety of exercises, including push-ups and standing balance poses. It supports up to 265 pounds, which means it can handle the weight of most users without a problem. That non-slip surface, it gives you the grip you need to focus on your workout, not on slipping. With over 4,000 units sold in the past month, it's clear people are buying into this. Now, some users have mentioned it can feel a bit too basic or that the wood might not hold up as well in the long term. Here's the thing though, this is an entry-level board. If you're looking for something to dip your toes into balance training, it's a great start without a hefty price tag. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable solution to get into balance training. Skip this one if you're a serious athlete looking for advanced features. For the price, it offers fantastic value. Now, if the affordable price of the Amazon Basics board is appealing, but you want something with a bit more stability, the next option is worth checking out. Product number 2, StrongTech Professional Wooden Balance Board. We have the StrongTech Professional Wooden Balance Board, retailing at $34.19. This caught my attention due to its sturdy construction and impressive weight capacity. If you're serious about improving your core stability and agility, this is worth a serious look. What makes this board stand out is its 17.5 by 13.5 inch size, which is compact yet robust enough to support up to 350 pounds. It's designed to activate your core and boost your reaction time, making it perfect for anyone from fitness newbies to seasoned athletes. The textured surface ensures you won't slip off while performing exercises. It's also lightweight, so you can easily move it from home to the office or gym. Plus, with a 30-day money-back guarantee, you can try it risk-free. However, some users have noted that it can feel a bit wobbly at first, especially for beginners. Here's my take. If you're brand new to balance training, it might take a bit of getting used to, but that's part of the learning curve. This is ideal for you if you want a balance board that grows with your skills. Skip this if you need something ultra-stable right out of the box. It's a great deal for the quality and versatility. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a bit more cushioning.
Product number 3, Yes for All Wobble Balance Board. The Yes for All Wobble Balance Board comes in next at $31.95. The vibrant sky blue color and ergonomic design initially caught my eye, but it's the performance that really shines. If you're looking for a versatile balance board that adds fun to your workouts, this is worth a serious look. This board features a larger 16.3-inch diameter, providing ample space for both feet, making it a breeze to balance. It's constructed from high-grade TPE plastic, offering a weight capacity of 300 pounds. The massage spikes on the surface are a unique touch, promoting grip while providing a gentle massage during your exercises. It's lightweight and portable, making it easy to take anywhere, from your home gym to your office. However, some users mention that the massage spikes can feel a bit harsh if you're not used to them. Here's the thing, if you're sensitive to pressure on your feet, you might want to wear shoes or adjust your workout style. This is perfect for you if you enjoy a more dynamic workout session with some added comfort. Skip this one if you want a more traditional flat surface for balance training. It offers solid quality for the price. Now, if you're after something that focuses on comfort while standing, the next product really stands out.
Product number 4, Trobing Standing Desk Mat Balance Board, priced at $68.85. This one really caught my attention with its built-in 360-degree foot massage ball. If you're looking for something that enhances comfort while you work at your standing desk, this is worth a serious look. This board is designed with an 8.2-degree tilting angle, allowing for easy rocking side to side and back and forth. This motion helps to alleviate fatigue and keeps your muscles engaged while you're standing. It supports up to 350 pounds and is made of durable hardwood, ensuring longevity. Plus, the built-in massage ball is a game changer for those long hours at the desk. On the downside, a few users have mentioned that the board can feel a bit bulky when you first start using it. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, the added features can provide great relief during long work sessions. This is perfect for you if you spend a lot of time standing at a desk and want to keep your legs active. Skip this if you prefer a more minimalist design without the extra features. It's a solid investment for comfort and function. All right, that was a comfortable option, but if you're looking for something with a unique twist, the last product on our list brings some fun into the mix.
Product number 5, ErgoHead 360-degree rotation balance board. We have the ErgoHead 360-degree rotation exercise wooden wobble board, priced at $69.99. What stood out to me was the combination of massage balls and a marble feature. If you want a truly interactive balance board that enhances your workspace, this is worth a serious look. This board allows for 360-degree rotation and up to 8 degrees of tilt, which encourages a full range of motion while standing. The massage balls help relieve pressure on your feet and promote better blood circulation. It's sturdy enough for various workouts, whether you're at home or in the office. It's perfect for adding some playful movement to your workday. However, some people found the marbles a bit gimmicky and not essential. Here's the thing, if you're just looking for a basic balance board, this might be more than you need. But if you enjoy a bit of fun with your fitness routine, it could be a perfect fit. This is ideal for you if you want to enhance your standing desk experience with some playful features. Skip this if you want something straightforward without any bells and whistles. It provides good value for the innovative design.
So, to wrap it up, we've looked at 5 unique balance boards. The Amazon Basics board is a great budget option, while the Strong Tech offers more stability. The Yes for All adds a fun twist with its massage spikes, and the Trobing provides excellent comfort for standing desks. Finally, the ErgoHead brings a playful approach to balance training. Choose based on what fits your needs the best.